we're doing the ice cream in a bag science experiment.
And okay, shall we?
Okay, so 1 cup of coffee.
I don't know. We'll go for it.
I got it. Thank you.
Really nervous about this going into a tiny plastic bag.
Yes. What's next? Sugar. 2 tablespoons.
Tablespoons.
Oh, sugar.
I feel like I need more than 2 hands. Okay. Now we have ice cream. Without excess air. Which shall be removed. Wait. Wow, I'm putting chocolate chips in mine. Forgot to put them.
Bake it for 7 to 10 minutes?
Yeah.
I can't do that.
I looked up another one and it said 5 minutes. So,
Okay.
I don't know.
I'll be really impressed if this works.
Yay. Here we go.
Eyeball it.
What do we do now?
We shake.
Okay. I'm so tired. This is our arm workout.
Very practice. Okay. We ready?
Ready? We gotta clean.
Woo!
Yeah, cottage cheese.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Wait. That actually tastes like ice cream.
Actually good.
That was really good. Ow.
Wait, I'm so impressed.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like ice cream.
Big fan. I approve.